do I smell so bad? I'm not supposed to smell bad. I'm a puppet. Puppets are supposed to smell good. Because they're toys. We don't want to make kids reek. That doesn't even make sense. God, why did you make me? I don't deserve to live. I'm just saying. So take me up whenever you feel like it. Okay, my son. What the heck? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I think I'm in a coma. Oh, holy crud. Hello, my son. I am God Porcupine. You told me to bring you up to heaven. Well, here you are. Your wish came true. Hello? Hello? I think I killed him. Hello? Hello? Wake up, you idiot! Wake up! Oh, jeez, I'm up. I'm Porcupine God. I have a solution to your smelling bad problem. Let me just go get it. Here we have it. Some hand sanitizer. Now I'm going to send you back to, the real world, so get out. Ah! Good for him. Ah! Seriously? Hand sanitizer? What's wrong with him? Oh, come on. Seriously? They're using some dumb hand sanitizer? I'm not using this. You know what? I got an idea. I'll go to Walmart and buy some deodorant. Here we go. I have a horrible Mario impression. So much. I can't carry it. It has so much deodorant. And the hand sanitizer. Don't forget the hand sanitizer. I'm going to smell real good now. Now, how do I put this on? Oh, I know. Just put it right. This is the most disgusting thing I ever ate. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Wait a second. Did I just... I'm so off. It goes under your armpits. I thought it went in your mouth. God, take me back up. Oh, I didn't think you would actually do it this time. Oh my God, I think I'm in a coma still. Oh. Oh my God. God! I'm filling in for God Porcupine right now. How can I help you? Freddy? How'd you know it was me? First of all, get out of your costume. Fine. Wait a second. How'd you get those clothes? Did you undress God Porcupine? Maybe. Maybe not. Yeah, you did. Yeah, I know you did. Let's get out of here. How'd you get here in the first place, you little bastard? Jesus, Dad. I got here because I asked God to buy you some deodorant. What? I just bought deodorant. And I stuck it up my mouth. Wow, Dad, you're really stupid. You're punished. I'm gonna throw you down to the real world. Ah! Good for him. Now I'm gonna throw myself down. Good for me. Ah! Ah! Help us! I think I'm in a coma. Me too, Dad. Ah! Help! I'm falling forever. Oh, dang it. I think I broke my head, Dad. I think I broke my nose. By the way, Do you have any idea why my nose looks like a pee-pee? No clue, Dad. And why do you ask all those stupid questions? Because I'm an idiot, okay? Just an idiot. Oh, man. Good day, wasn't it, son? Oh, my God, best day ever. I got to meet God. I know!